Your next assignment is gonna be page 40, Merlin's Wand. Let's see here. This is 5 on C, going up to D, E. That's F sharp. Nah, F sharp. Terus sebelahnya karena nggak ada natural, it's still F sharp ya. So if you put a sharp here, the next one kalau belum ada tanda apa-apa, berarti it's still a sharp. And it's in the same bar ya. Kalau barnya masih sama, nggak ada tanda apa-apa, then it's still F sharp. Ya, so F sharp, F sharp. Next one, the right hand start from high C, going up to D, E. Apa tuh? Habis E, F sharp, right? And then there is a repeat sign. So you gotta repeat back from the beginning. And then poof. What's the note here? C, E. And this one is the lowest C. Yeah, find the lowest C. Not the lowest note, yeah? Lowest C here. 2 black keys, C, yeah? Not this. This is A. A, B, C. This is C, yeah? 2 black keys, C, D, E, C, yeah? If you look here, you need to press the pedal. Press the pedal the entire time you play this song. Do you know how to press the pedal? On your further right, ya. You press the pedal on further right. Caranya kamu taruh tumitnya di lantai, and then you press it, ya. If you're using keyboard, then there might be only one pedal, but you press that pedal, ya. So on the piano, we press the further right side of the pedal, this one. Okay, so the entire song, you will be pressing the pedal like this. Keep pressing the pedal the entire song, okay? It's gonna sustain the notes. Jadi bisa gema-gema gitu deh. Right, so I'm pressing the pedal. First time it's forte, second time is piano ya. Jadi kencang dulu and then repeat very soft. Left hand 5 on C. Right hand 1 on high C. Ya, jadi yang left hand di sini suaranya dengerin, and then your right hand is on the high C. Jauh ya. So there is 2 octave apart ya. So with the pedal pressed, forte, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, F sharp, 2, 3, 4. Repeat piano. Soft. 1, 2, 1, 2, soft. 2, 3, 4. At the end, it's this one and lowest C. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So at the end, you're just C and E, and then the lowest C here. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's try that again faster. Pedal press, forte. 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Forte at the end. 3, 4. Okay, have fun with this song.